Have you ever found yourself psyching yourself up for a challenge, coaching yourself in your head, telling yourself you can achieve this? Yeah? Maybe even saying out loud, you can do this. Ah. No? You're pretty much the only one that doesn't do it then. Very few people don't. But today, we're here to find out why you talk to yourself. How does it help? What good does it do? Welcome back to the channel, Mind Explorers. My name is Adam, and I am a user experience designer with a particular interest in user psychology and human behavior. In our last deep dive, we pulled back the curtain on the secret world inside your head, revealing how widespread inner monologues and imagined conversations truly are, and even how they lead to subtle physical reactions. So if you haven't seen that one, go check it out. It's on the channel. It's good. But you know I'm biased. Today, though, we're taking that exploration a little bit further. We're diving deep into the fascinating hypothesis that the human brain's ability to engage in inner speech serves as a fundamental mechanism for self-regulation and emotional processing, profoundly influencing your daily behavior and mental well-being. So how does this inner voice become your personal command center? That's a good question. It's not just background noise. It's a powerful tool for cognitive control and executive function. Think about it. Your inner voice is crucial for planning and problem solving. It lets you mentally rehearse scenarios, anticipate outcomes, and avoid impulsive actions, almost like an internal simulation before you take the leap. It's integral to attention and inhibition, helping you direct and redirect your focus, and preventing you from getting sidetracked. Many researchers, following the groundbreaking work of Vygotsky, see inner voice as deeply linked to these essential executive functions. It's your internal workhorse facilitating complex mental operations. And this goes beyond just thinking aloud. It's about behavioral regulation and self-management. We constantly use self-talk to instruct ourselves. Try again to encourage, or even to critique. I cannot believe you did that in public. You did that in public. Yeah. What's wild is that this form of inner speech matters. Research by Ethan Kross and his colleagues suggests that asking yourself interrogative questions like, will I? Will I? Will I? Will I? Can actually increase motivation and goal-directed behavior more effectively than a declarative statement. That's a difficult word to say. Like, I will, I will, I will, I will, I will. It actively engages your problem-solving mindset and a sense of personal agency, rather than just stating a command. But in a speech, it's not just about cold, hard logic. It's about something deeper than that. It's deeply interwoven into your emotional processing. It helps you reflect on your feelings, understand them, and even develop self-calming strategies. It's how you narrate your past, and plan your future, and make sense of your present. It helps you to maintain a coherent self-narrative. And here's where it gets truly fascinating. A pre-registered study actually monitored participants' heart rates while they engage in positive, negative, and neutral inner speech. The results? Emotional inner speech, whether positive or negative, significantly increased heart rates compared to simply counting silently. As Wallington and his team found, it's literally heart talk. Literally. Your internal verbalizations are deeply engaged in your physiological systems associated with the emotions, proving that inner speech is deeply integrated into your body's emotional experience. Pretty amazing, right? Inner speech also plays a massive role in self-criticism and self-reinforcement. The internal communicator can be your harshest critic, but also your biggest cheerleader. Studies show that frequent self-critical talk can be linked to higher levels of anxiety and depression, while self-reinforcing talk is negatively correlated with depression. Maybe that's common sense, but it's proven to be true. The qualitative content of your inner voice is paramount to your mental well-being. It's not just about having any old voice, but it's what it says to you and what nice things it says to you. You talk nicely to yourself, you're going to be all right. Now, here's a crucial nuance. The inner voice is a double-edged sword. Bummer. Yeah, that's right. It's not that easy. While incredibly powerful for planning, self-regulation, and self-reflection, it can also amplify feelings of inadequacy, anxiety, and depression if it's overly critical or prone to rumination. A persistent stream of negative talk can truly exacerbate distress, which reinforces what we've previously just said. And here's an even bigger reveal. Not everyone's got the same voice. There's all sorts of different ones out there. Everyone's different. I know, right? They just keep coming. Well, researcher André Morin, writing in the journal Psyche, famously stated, "Each and every day of our walking lives, at every hour, and even, arguably, at least once a minute, we talk to ourselves." The reality is there's significant individual variability. Some people, an estimated 5 to 10% of the population, barely experience an inner voice at all, a phenomenon known as anandophasia, as mentioned in the previous video. Go check it out, it's very interesting. Anandophasia. I'll write that one down. These individuals still manage to self-regulate and process emotions effectively, but they do so through other powerful cognitive modalities, like visual imagery, emotions, or musical thought. This fundamentally challenges the idea that inner speech is the sole fundamental mechanism for everyone. It's a critical pathway, yeah, but it's not for everyone. Everyone's different. And that's where the nuance comes in. And this understanding has profound implications for therapeutic approaches. While therapies like cognitive behavioral therapy, CBT, effectively teach us to modify negative self-talk for individuals who primarily think non-verbally, integrating non-verbal approaches like expressive therapies or mindfulness practices that encourage silencing the self can be equally, or if not even more beneficial. If you don't talk to yourself, it's kind of hard to teach yourself to talk to yourself. You know what I mean? So this incredible inner world, with its capacity for internal dialogue, is a highly sophisticated and adaptable machine, deeply integrated into your self-regulation and emotional life. It shapes how you plan, problem solve, manage emotions, and ultimately, how you experience your daily life and mental well-being. The key isn't just if you talk to yourself, but how you talk to yourself and how flexible you can be in engaging and disengaging your internal voice. What are your thoughts on this? Do you use your inner mind for consciously planning or emotional regulation? Have you noticed the impact of how your inner voice works and how it's affecting you? Let us know in the comments below, because we love hearing from you. Interesting people. Wouldn't be able to get a holistic view on all this stuff if we didn't speak to people. So tell us. In the next video, we'll be diving even deeper into another fascinating aspect of human behavior. The hypothesis that a significant portion of our daily actions are not conscious decisions, but rather automated habits triggered by environmental cues, conserving mental energy, kind of like autopilot, but energy preservation. It's clever stuff, and it's interesting stuff too. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and in future you'll be able to get insights on user insights and the human mind. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out on any of those. And we'll see you next time for the deep dive into automation. See you for the next one.